Friends, today's topic is Indra and Ahilya's relation, real or fake, what is reality? If you want to see our previous videos, then click the channel name or picture below the video, then go to the video or playlist option and press the red subscribe option and press the bell icon for my latest video updates. So let's start. This is Buri Critical Valmiki Ramayana book, chapter 47, Balkand. Vishwamitra told full story to Rama. O best among men, earlier it belonged to the great soul Gautama. This hermitage was divine and it was worshipped even by the gods. Earlier, he practiced austerities here together with his wife Ahilya. O prince, the immensely illustrious one spent innumerable years here, discerning that there was an opportunity. The thousand-eyed one, Sachi's husband Indra, assumed the garb of a sage. He came to Ahilya and addressed her in these words: O one who is well proportionate, those who seek pleasure do not wait for the time of conception to arrive. O slender waisted one, I desired to have intercourse with you. O descendant of the Raghu lineage, she knew that it was the one with the 1,000 eyes in the garb of a sage. However, because of her curiosity, the evil minded one acceded to what the king of the gods wanted. Satisfied in her heart of hearts, she told the best of the gods, O best among the gods, I have been satiated, O Lord. However, leave this spot quickly, O Lord of the gods. O one who shows honors, always protect me and your own self. Indra laughed at these words and told Ahilya, O one with the excellent hips, I am also satiated. I will go back to where I have came from. After the act of intercourse, he emerged from the cottage, O Rama. He was terrified and scared that Gautama might return. He saw that the great sage Gautama was entering. He was full of the strength of austerities, and the gods and Danavas found him impossible to withstand. He blazed like the fire and was wet with water from various tirthas. The bull among sages arrived there after collecting kindling and kusha grasses. On seeing him, the lord of the gods was terrified. His face bore the marks of distress. Seeing the one with the 1,000 eyes, Indra, attired in the garb of a sage, the sage, full of good conduct, became angry. He spoke these words to the one with evil conduct, O evil minded one, you have assumed my form and have done this. Since you have done what should not have been done, you will become infertile. The great soul sage Gautama said this in rage, and instantly the testicle of the thousand-eyed one Indra fell down on the ground. Having cursed Shakra, he also cursed his wife. You will reside here for many thousands of years, subsisting on air and without food. You will torment yourself through austerities. You will sleep on ashes. You will live in this hermitage unseen by all creatures. When the invincible Rama, Dasharatha's son, arrives in this terrible forest, you will be purified. O one who is evil in conduct. So friends, Ahilya was a Shati woman, greatest woman according to God, according to Rama. Okay. So this is